people may believe that these outbursts of violence on an online community are isolated incidents. And what we found in our research is that is really not the case. Of course, what we found is that there is actually 3 forms of violence that make that this violence become endemic, meaning that it is really part and parcel of the DNA of the community. And these 3 forms of violence are the following. 1, you have the direct violence. That's what you observe, the outburst, the verbal slander, the harassment that is aimed at hurting people's feelings, their identities, and their self-esteem. That's one thing, but it's not the only thing. The second form of violence that we observed was more structural. That means that in these communities there is relational structures and power imbalances that actually lead to exploitation and discrimination. And the third form of violence that we observed was more cultural. It's norms, values, beliefs, narratives, things that people say to each other and that legitimate these other 2 forms, the direct and structural form of violence. So I will explain with the other 3 misconceptions how these 3 forms of violence interacted and how it could really lead to this very violent community.